In this tutorial you will learn how to fix BLEACH, Rebirth of Souls red screen issue on PC. First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Display. Open Graphics. Click on Add Desktop App. Locate the BLEACH Rebirth of Souls executable, and then press Add. Once you add the game, expand the menu. In GPU Preference, select your main GPU. Now launch your game. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.